Dear student, before this topic, we complete image formation by concave mirror and image formation by convex mirror. Now is a very important topic of chapter to learn the mirror formula and formula of magnification. Here we derive the mirror formula, and it is important to calculate the focal length, that image distance and object distance. If you are given image distance and object distance, then you calculate the focal length by using mirror formula. This formula can be used to solve the numericals on mirror and in a chapter of light. And numericals are the very important topic in a physics. Look here, this is the base of numericals, this is the base of this chapter, and it is necessary to carefully understand and learn, that is mirror formula, in this chapter to solve the numericals. Here, what is mirror formula? Firstly, here we study, that is mirror formula. You know how we derive the mirror formula. Here, mirror formula is a relation between object distance, image distance and focal length. Mirror formula is the relation. Mirror formula is the relation between object distance, image distance and focal length, object distance, image distance and focal length. You know what is in my object distance? You know what is in my object distance? The distance between object and pole is called object distance. And you know object always placed to left side here or in front of the mirror. Look here, object distance, the distance between object and pole is called object distance, and it is denoted by small u. Look here carefully. The distance between object and pole is called object distance, and it is denoted by small u. That object distance denoted by small u. Then image distance. You know then what is in my image distance? The distance between image and pole is called image distance. The distance between image and pole called image distance. Distance between image and pole is called image distance, denoted by small v. Image distance denoted by small v. You know object distance denoted by small u and image distance denoted by small v. Then you know what is focal length. Here we study the focal length. The distance between focus and pole is called focal length. The distance between focus and pole is called focal length, and it is denoted by small f. Means in this way, that is the definition of object distance, image distance and focal length. Then what is here mirror formula? What is here mirror formula and how we discuss the mirror formula? Here mirror formula, what is mirror formula here? 1 by V plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. That is the mirror formula. It is the relation between object distance, image distance and focal length. Look here, it is necessary to be understand carefully. 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. That is the mirror formula. And this formula can be used to calculate the focal length if you are given an object distance and image distance. Here, if you are given an object distance and focal length, then you calculate the image distance. Means in this way, in any numerical, we use the mirror formula. Then what is in the magnification? What is magnification? Magnification by mirror. You know, magnification is a comparison between a height of object and height of image, or size of object and size of image. How that image is larger than object, or image is smaller than object, or image is same size as that of the object. Means magnification denoted by capital M. And you know what is magnification? It is the ratio of two heights. Magnification is the ratio of object height and image height. It is the ratio of object height and image height. It is the ratio of two heights there. You know here, object height denoted by h1 and image height denoted by h2. Then what is magnification? Magnification m equals to height of image upon height of object. Magnification m equals to height of image upon height of object, means m equals to height of image, that is h2, upon height of object, that is h1. Is a one formula to calculate the magnification. Means it is the compare between size of object and size of image. Magnification also calculated by using the image distance and object distance. Another formula here, that magnification m equals to, that is image distance upon object distance, means m equals to image distance means small v and object distance means small u. That is the magnification. The second formula to calculate the magnification. That's all.